Yes, sir. Listen, man. Y'all already know what it is. Big Jordan back at y'all with another video. And this video is going to be kind of different. This is going to be like a how-to video. All right. So long story short, you see the title, you see the thumbnail. I'm going to be replacing my dash speaker in my 2015 Challenger Hellcat. All right. I like my sound system to sound good. I blew the speaker already. All right. It's a factory speaker. I like to crank my volume up. So, you know, it ain't going to last forever, right? Got to pay to play though. So I'm going to be replacing that. All right. So I just figured, you know what? Why not make like a how-to video showing y'all how I do the whole thing. All right. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right. To show y'all what I'm going to be doing this with, I got this this removal kit. All right. Got this off of Amazon. So you guys see it right there. Just Google it and get yourself one. And I got this little tool kit from Advanced Auto Parts, I believe. So this is pretty much what I'm going to be using to get this whole job done. All right. This is all I'm going to be using. So let's get this panel removed. So the first thing we got to do is remove these pillars, right? You got the pillars right here, and you got the pillar right there, right? So it looks like it's being held together by this side panel, the dash panel right here. So this is the first thing we're going to do. The first thing, I'm going to take this thing off. And I'm doing this all with one hand, by the way, because I have nobody here to record for me. So let me get this done. So it's not too bad. All right, so as you guys can see, it just came right off. Don't be afraid to go get a little rough with it because these are very durable. All right, so now you got to do that side. All right, so now I'm on the passenger side. All right, so let's do the same thing over here. All right, it's not that hard. All right, so that's removed. So next we're gonna remove this pillar. Let's get this in there. Like I said, don't be afraid to tug on it, all right? And you got this connector right here. All right, so that's the first side. All right, so we're on the driver's side now. Let's take this driver's side pillar off. All right, so now the driver's side pillar is removed. So next thing we gotta do, we gotta take the dash up. Pull right here. All right, it's held together by two. You know, you see all the pins right there. Let me take this up right here. Just lifting it up. You're not gonna damage it. Boom. The whole thing comes apart. All right. As you guys can see, this whole thing is removed now. All right. So next, we gotta remove this speaker. This middle dash speaker is the one that's blown. All right. Yo, I'm really out here sweating, but I showed you guys the middle speaker. Here's the speaker that I'm gonna put in. All right. I got this from Dodge. All right. I paid $63 for this. All right. Yo, I'm really sweating, but I paid $63 for this. I was gonna put in an aftermarket speaker, but I said I don't want to put in a kicker. And it's, you know, I don't want my system to sound all distorted and everything. So I said I'm gonna put all OEM everything in here. So I went to Dodge down in Beacon and I bought this speaker for like $60. So it wasn't expensive at all. All right, y'all. So I was trying out all my different attachments, and the one that fits is this right here, the 1/4, right? 1/4 inch. So this is what I'm going to use to take apart this freaking screw right here. As you guys can see, it's coming right out. All right, so as you guys can see, I got the first screw out. Now, gotta undo the other screw. All right, y'all, so both screws are out. And it has an attachment right here All right, well, I can't do it with one hand, so this is how you take it apart. Push this piece down. Can't do it with one hand, so let me get this off. All right, I got it. Turns out I could have done it with one hand. I just gotta squeeze it out harder. All right, so now this is connected. All right, so now I'm gonna place this back down like this. And let me tighten this. All right, so the left screw is down, so let me get the right side now. I got both the screws in, all right? Put that right in there, boom. One aligns, they all align. Literally just pops right in. Boom, boom, whoa, somebody's acting up. Boom, boom. All right, acting up. Yes, sir. Get your ass in there. Boom. Oh, somebody's acting up. Get your ass in there. And in case y'all don't believe me, all right, this is my 2015 Challenger Hellcat, all right? This is what I'm doing the job on. All right, so let me get to this side. Boom. Boom. Next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slide this back in, all right? All right, y'all, so I got this pillar in. Let me tell you now, this piece right here, this thing is stubborn, man. That joint was working my fingertips. All right, but I conquer all right? I conquer all, so that thing is right in there, it ain't going nowhere. So I'm gonna snap this into place, all right? And actually, while I'm over here, let me snap back in the side panel. All right, so this is all together. That's the left side all complete. All right, now let's get to the right side. All right, y'all, so the pillar is in. I'm gonna snap in the side dashboard panel. All right, so all you gotta do is line them all up and it just snaps right in, all right? Look who it is. What's good, boy? Yo, you making it to YouTube now?
Oh, word?
Hell yeah, it was good though. I just installed my my dad's speaker.
Okay, I just seen it pulling out at this spin.
Yeah, I seen you passing by.
Real quick.
What's good, man? Good to see you, man.
Pirellis, okay.
Yo,
The
my
Brembo
tires is bald.
calipers?
Look at my tires though.
Burning now. Huh?
Yeah, man. I got hooked, man. I got hooked, but
Okay.
go ahead.
Cockpit.
Go ahead. Yeah, start it up.
Okay.
Go ahead, take it up. It's mad roomy, yo. I just started playing with it. Go ahead. That thing is beast, man. Look at that. There we go.
I gotta get out.
Yeah.
I gotta get out.
I'm gonna close this video out. But you ain't gotta go nowhere. But like I said, that was the that's how you install the dash speaker on your on a 2015 Dodge Challenger. All right. Like I said, very easy. If I could do it, anybody can do it. Shout out to my boy Dewan over here.
Yo.
Say what up to him. I'll put his Instagram below. All right. But listen, that's the video. If you have any questions, just hit me up. All right. Hit me up about this video, even about bikes, anything. You got any questions about buying your own Hellcat used or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Don't hesitate to hit me up, all right? So, listen, I'm out, coming to you from the Power Kingdom, baby. All right, Big Jordan, I'm out. See you on the next one.